machined, injected, molded, polished, welded, cut, primed, and painted. They say that if God didn't make it, it was manufactured. Think about the objects in your world, simple or complex. Know that a team of people put time and creative energy into making that thing a reality. And today, it's done in a place that's far different than your grandfather's manufacturing line. Now is the time to jump in and celebrate what it means to create.
So, your grandpa's actual manufacturing back in the day was probably actual warehouse, an assembly line full of folks where you put your part on, it moves down, they put their part on, it continues on. Probably nasty, filthy, dirty. Today's manufacturing is not even like that. They take pride on the cleanliness, neatness of their actual facilities.
Popular knowledge says that manufacturing left the USA a long time ago. The popular knowledge is wrong. Hundreds of thousands of manufacturing jobs are left unfulfilled and are waiting for confident, competent problem solvers, the type of person with a veteran's experience under the belt.
Military personnel have worked on some of the most advanced weapon systems, equipment out there. So if they can work on those and maintain those, they can do the same thing on the manufacturing side of the house, you know.
Consider the role of a CNC machinist. With the precision of a Swiss watchmaker, CNC machinists turn out finely toleranced masterpieces in batches from the thousands to as unique as just one. The parts coming off the CNC machines appear everywhere, but notably, these parts are components in airframe and power plant manufacturing. The people who make the machines that put humans to flight are skilled trades workers, makers, who build and inspect the intricate beasts that safely transport people and freight all over the world. For every maker with hands-on machine, there are specialists shipping product, managing inventory, minding HR, overseeing processes, and selling the product. There is room here for you. American manufacturing is alive, well, and accepting applications. Get trained and get into a career